Hey guys, Vin here. So in today's video, I'm going to be answering the question of should you wash your hair before cutting it? Enjoy. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. This topic came up the other day when my brother was cutting my hair and he was telling me how, it's better to wash your hair before cutting it. We were discussing some of the pros and cons on this and I thought it was a good idea to make a video about it. So, if you're short on time and you really need the answer, yes, you should wash your hair before cutting it. Ideally, you can wash it, the day before or, a few hours before you get your haircut. And the reason why I say you need to wash your hair before cutting your hair is because of your oil in your hair. The next time you don't shower for a couple days, if you don't wash your hair, you can take a look or feel your hair to see if it's oilier than usual. You can find that if you don't shower and shampoo your hair for just a couple of days, all these hair oils will accumulate and make your hair more oily. And while this is a bit disgusting, yes, if you go outside in the sun and the heat, it will actually protect your hair strands. So it's kind of like a pros and cons if to wash your hair or not. Shampooing your hair every day is a good way to stay clean. But did you know that if you shampoo your hair every single day and you shampoo too much, this can actually be damaging to your hair. So you don't want that. Every time you shower, you're stripping everything out of your hair. Hair is so prone to damage, it's so fragile. So what you can do if you still prefer to shampoo every day is by, shampooing just the roots of your hair instead of your entire hair. So that still cleans your hair scalp, but you don't damage your hair too much. You can see I have this on right now. This air humidifier thing, pushes out air. The pollution in Canada is now kind of bad, so I have this just to clean the air a little bit. Take a look, guys. You can see the sky. It's all cloudy without any sun. I saw this video on Facebook of Kelowna. So Kelowna is a place in BC, Canada. This is all smoke, guys. So all these are smoke. Forest fires happening. It's a pretty bad time of the year right now in Canada. But just take a look at how much of the smoke is coming out to the sky. Wow. That was a little off topic, but back to the video on why it's important to shampoo your hair before getting your haircut. This is especially important for those of you who have hair that sticks out. My channel has a lot of videos about the porcupine hair or hair that sticks out. You can use the down perm to help it stay down. But essentially what this is that Asian guys like myself, or anyone whose hair density is stronger and thicker, it just sticks out when it's short. So what I mean by this, you can see on here. When it's shorter, it just sticks out. And once it gets longer like this, gravity just, makes it fall down. So on my right and left side, on the top hair, it just falls down because, it's long now. But if it's short, it sticks out. This can really be a problem if you want to get a haircut, especially a shorter hairstyle. And if you don't wash your hair is filled with natural hair oils. And what this means is that, the hair oils is what protects you from the sun. And it's kind of like a heat protectant, a natural heat protectant. Every time you shower and you shampoo in your hair, you're stripping your hair from all these natural hair oils. Your hair is all going to be barren without any oil. And it's really easy to be prone to damage. So the thing is, when you strip your hair oil away, there's nothing to stick to your hair to make it fall down more. An example I can give you is that on my side here. So I haven't showered today, but you can see the hair is all slightly going down because it's getting longer. But if I shower with shampoo, all these hair will stick out because of the hair oils not sticking to the hair anymore. And the hair oil can kind of act like a gravity kind of thing where it sticks to your hair and then makes it a bit heavier so it falls down. So without that, it sticks out. And hopefully I'm explaining the right way. Just a simple explanation is that the hair oils will help your hair stick down a little bit more. But if your hair is sticking out anyway, washing the hair oils away will make it stick out even more. So what happens if you don't want to wash your hair and get a haircut? Basically what will happen is that the side of your hair will have hair oils. Once you get the haircut, the barber might not shave all the way maybe, he might shave it or trim it a little bit. And it still sticks down because the hair oils is sticking to your hair. After you go home and shower, all these hair oils is stripped away. And naturally it will stick up. And this is something that no one wants because, hair that sticks out is a little ugly. You don't really want that in your hairstyle. So that's why you always want to shower before getting a haircut. The only time really that you shouldn't wash your hair before getting a haircut is if you're planning to, dye your hair to another color or perm your hair. So your hair oils, as mentioned before, is something natural that your hair gives out. And this is something that protects your hair strands. So, you know, if you remove it and you perm your hair, perming and dyeing your hair is really damaging. So if you have natural hair oils to protect your hair strands, it will help you dramatically. To summarize this video, if you're planning on getting a haircut, it's always a good idea to shower your hair with shampoo to wash away the natural hair oils so that it does not stick to your hair. And after the haircut, you can shower and the hair will look the same. If you don't shower with shampoo, after you get your haircut and you go home to shower, your hair will look a little bit different, especially if your hair naturally sticks out. If you're planning on dyeing your hair or perming it, you don't have to shower your hair with shampoo. In fact, you don't want to shower your hair with shampoo because you want to preserve the natural hair oils so that your hair can be protected when you dye or perm your hair. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time. Yeah, you can see that I'm growing my hair out. It's getting pretty long. I'm still debating whether I want to grow a man bun or not, but right now at this point of time, I can kind of get a man bun. It's still not quite long enough, but yeah, that's something I'm debating right now.
It's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately been hard to read and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. Yeah, hey girl, how you been? It's been about a year, haven't seen you since. It's crazy, ain't it? How we used to be so close and we were making it. It was us against the world and we were playing it. Plus me and your affection, we were craving it. There's a bunch of things I wanted to let you know, but it's best to leave the memories and let it go. Sometimes I still think of you. It's not that I miss you, but I do wanna kiss you. Don't get me wrong, I'm not asking for you back. In fact, I'm doing quite good. How about you? The good and the bad and all the shit we've been through. And this is for the best, you probably also know it too. Here are all the things I couldn't say to you. Here's a letter of my heart from me to you. Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately been hard to read and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. Yo, so I heard you got a new guy now. Is he cool? Is he handsome? Is he alright now? Does he love you like the way I do? Does he make you laugh and make you smile the way I do? Remember all those nights that we were staying up? You would lose me halfway through the night when I was acting tough. So here I hope with all my heart that he can be up by your side when you are needing love. Me, I found someone new. I'm quite happy now and you should be too. We're still young, we're barely 22. Just leave the past be and keep pushing through. Stay behind the line that we both drew. Whatever you choose, I'll be happy for you. Here are all the things I couldn't say to you. Here's a letter of my heart from me to you. Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately been hard to read and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. I put my past behind, put my pride aside, baby. Lately, I want more of you. Lately, it's been hard for me, and baby, it's been hard on you. Lately, been hard to read, and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy, you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. You haven't been on my mind, boy, you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. You haven't been on my mind, boy, you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing.